In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a content team of SEO AI agents with n8n. Whether you're aiming to boost your digital presence or streamline your content strategy, this guide will walk you through the steps to create an automated, efficient content team using advanced AI tools. Let's begin by first opening the n8n application. Once you've got that open, you'll want to click on Create Workflow. This is where the magic starts happening, so go ahead and give your workflow a fitting name, such as SEO AI Content Team. Naming your workflow helps in organizing your processes and making everything easily identifiable in the future. The next important step is adding a trigger. What's a trigger, you might wonder? Simply put, a trigger is what initiates your workflow. You have a few options to choose from: manual trigger, schedule trigger, or a webhook. For instance, you might prefer your workflow to start every morning at 9 a.m., providing you with fresh content ideas every day. Establishing a schedule can keep your content production consistent and reliable, which is crucial for maintaining a steady online presence. Now for the topic research step, you'll need to add an AI agent node here. This agent is programmed as an SEO researcher whose job is to dig into trending blog ideas within your specified niche. It's a significant step because identifying trending topics ensures that your content resonates with current audience interests. The output you should expect from this agent includes 10 blog topics along with details such as their search intent, the target audience, and the difficulty level. For example, a topic might be how to automate Shopify with n8n, with its search intent classified as informational. Moving forward, connect another AI agent for the crucial job of keyword research. Here's where you'll prompt the agent to generate a comprehensive list of keywords. This list will include a primary keyword and several secondary keywords. Additionally, it will provide you with long-tail keywords and FAQ keywords related to your chosen topics. An example output might feature n8n automation as the primary, with workflow automation as a secondary keyword, and more complex phrases like how to automate Shopify using n8n as long-tail keywords. These keywords are essential for enhancing your content's visibility and SEO performance. Finally, incorporate a content planner agent. This step ensures that all the information gathered, topics, keywords, search intent, and audience details, is organized and ready for you or your team to create compelling, targeted content. By the end, you will have developed a sophisticated content production system using n8n that operates with the precision and efficiency of an SEO expert. With this setup, you not only save considerable time and effort, but also gain a competitive edge in the fast-paced world of digital content creation. And there you have it. With these steps, you've set up your very own content team of SEO AI agents, ready to elevate your content game to new heights.